very masayahin siya. So kahit yung mga simpleng bagay lang, natutuwa na yan. And then sobrang maalaga niya, and then maalalahanin. So very thoughtful siya. So especially pag may mga binibigay siya sa akin, madalas nakakamusta, kumusta yung araw, ganun. So yun yung mga katangian na nagustuhan ko sa kanya. So very thoughtful, very loving, and very masunurin po.
You wonder why I gave you this, it's because I thought of something that will strengthen your heart. It's definitely not just my love. You have to work for it as well. I hope you like it. Yes, I hit the left pair cause from this day onwards, you're always gonna be right. Ako personally may checklist ako. Tapos na-check niya lahat yon. Sabi ko, sana po mabait, sana po matalino, tsaka ayun, syempre pogi. At na-check lahat ni Jonel yan. On this day, 20th December 2024, Dear Honeycomb, as this day finally arrives, I am reminded of the countless moments that brought us here. All the choices and sacrifices we made throughout our relationship just to arrive to this special day. I hope this new beginning will bring us closer to each other. Mission accomplished sa boyfriend-girlfriend stage natin. Since mag-level up na tayo sa relationship, kaya challenge accepted naman.
Dear Han, after 3,660 days as boyfriend and girlfriend, our big day is finally here. Marami na tayong pinagdaanan at nalagpasan natin lahat ng mga iyon bilang magkasama. Magkasama sa tawanan, sa kulitan, lungkot at mga luha. To capture the good times, to develop from the negative. And if things don't turn out, we'll take another shot. I hope we can use this camera to record the continuation of our love story. Thank you very much, honey. Tingin ko magamit natin to para capture yung mga moments natin together.
I hope we create a life woven with compassion, laughter, and the kind of love that inspires others, especially to our future kids. I hope one day, when our future kids decide to get married, they will tell us that our love is the kind of love they wish to have with their partners.
Every day, around the clock, always remember that you are my rock. Thank you for believing in me, Papa.
Because hearts linked by love will never be broken. Thank you for your unconditional love, Mama.
Maraming salamat at ikaw ang kapiling ko sa lahat. At ngayong ganap na mag-asawa na tayo, naway mas tumibay pa ang ating pagsasama. Hindi lang para sa isa't isa, kundi pati na rin sa ating buong pamilya. Mahal na mahal kita.
Malibutan ng mga problema sa hirap at
hold your hand through every season, every chapter, and every unexpected twist life may bring. I will celebrate your victories as if they were my own, and carry your burdens so you'll never feel alone. This new journey will never be easy, but I know every moment of it will be worth it. I love you so much, Haniko, to infinity and beyond.